Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You're ready to add Clipart now. Open your presentation and select the slide where the art will go. Once done, go to Insert, then Pictures, and choose Online Pictures or Icons. This opens PowerPoint's built-in library so you don't leave the app. You should sign into Office if prompted. This unlocks more sources. Now type concise keywords that describe the subject, like coffee cup outline or office icon, and press Enter to get focused results quickly. After results appear, refine them using filters such as illustrations, icons, or stock images so you get the right style. Click any image to preview licensing and quality, then insert the one you want. You can drag to reposition and use handles to resize. Make edits in PowerPoint. Right-click to convert simple graphics to shapes for color changes, use graphics format for recolor, or remove background for photos. These edits let you match brand and layout without external tools. To finish, align and group your clipart with nearby elements so it behaves predictably when you move or resize things. Add alt text for accessibility and export readiness. If file size matters, use File right arrow compress pictures and choose a resolution. Make sure to save a copy. If search or insertion fails, check for Office updates, clear the Office cache, and confirm Online Pictures is enabled in Settings. These fixes result.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.